Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. In today's video, we are going to repair a 32-inch TCL LED TV that came with a sound okay but blank display problem. As we discussed in our previous videos, this type of fault is mainly caused by an internal short circuit in the gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may occur on either the left or the right side, but if both sides are shorted, the panel becomes very difficult to repair. As you can see, the backlight starts flashing after connecting the display, indicating that the panel DC circuit is going into protection mode. This TV uses a 32-inch HD-ready Samsung single COF panel with an SM4186 Dc IC. Due to the gate signal short, the DC IC is unable to generate the required panel voltages. To identify the faulty side, we first cut the right side gate signal tracks. If the picture appears, no further action is required. However, if the problem remains, we reconnect those tracks and cut the left side gate signal tracks instead. In this case, cutting the right side tracks did not solve the issue, so we restored them and isolated the left side gate signals. After doing that, the picture came back perfectly, and the TV started working normally again. Please remember that this is only a temporary repair method. The only permanent solution is panel replacement. Also, no one can predict how long the display will continue working after this repair, as it completely depends on the condition of the panel and, ultimately, on the user's luck. So that's it for today's video. If you found this repair helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest LED TV repair videos. Thanks for watching.